Kanjo ino icemanitie na muikariri giti wa kamiti ya budget bunge-ini ya bururi Samuel Atandi mwena wa Kilifi kuria maugite ni makoretwo no ritu gukinyaniria motungata matiganite kumana na wagi wa kigina kiiganu.
And our proposal as Council of Governors, we are proposing DORA for 26-27 financial year of 534 billion Kenya shillings. Which has four main components or five main components, starting with a baseline of 415 that was the last financial year's allocation.
Kuringana na muigi wa kigina wa kanjo ya magavana Ferdinand Barasa na uria no gavana wa kaunti ya Kakamega ni atariirie mamwe ma motungata maria matigitwo na thutha na mangikwaga gukinyanirio.
We have adjustment for revenue growth of 35 billion. We also have an amount specific to facilitate transition of VHC staff from the national government to counties of 8.94 billion. We also have an amount specific to functions that were gazetted and devolved, amounting to 65.97 billion. And then number 4,
mwena wake muikariri giti wa kamiti ya budget bunge-ini ya bururi Samuel Atandi augite ona thengia wa county gubatara kigina giki niguo gutwarithia na mbere motungata county-ini undu uyu wa kuongererwa kigina giki uri na morito na mihinga itiganite.
Governors are pushing for more resources to go to counties, and as elected leader I am in agreement with their push, but we must also be aware that there may be some challenges. Some of the challenges that we are likely to face is the fact that the resources we are collecting from KRA in terms of revenue may not be substantial enough to be able to, give them the resources they want in terms of shareable allocations.
Atandi ni eranire thirikari gukorwo igetha kihonia kia maundu maya kuria nayo kanjo ino ya magavana eranire kuramata kigina giki na njira nginyaniru.
Those figures are humongous. But so what we have said is that we are committed to ensuring that we fund devolution.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua wa Boshi.